Gautam Buddha's mother was from which clan? Shakya clan, Maya clan, Lichivas clan, Kolian clan. So which clan it is? It is Kolian clan. Who was the founder of Nalanda University? Chandragupta Vikramaditya, Kumar Gupta, Dharampal, Pushyagupta. What do you think is the correct answer? Kumar Gupta. So correct answer is Kumar Gupta, B. Buddhist center of learning is A. Vikramshila, B. Varanasi, C. Girnar, D. Ujjain. Correct answer is Vikramshila. So Buddhist center of learning is Vikramshila.